If you're experiencing login errors on Outlook 2026, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue effectively. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. A stable connection is necessary for Outlook to communicate with the email server. Try opening a web page to confirm connectivity. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Before starting recovery, use the AirSoc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Update Outlook. Ensure that your Outlook application is up to date. Go to the File menu, select Office Account, and then click on Update Options. Choose Update Now to install any available updates that may fix bugs or compatibility issues. Step 4. Disable add-ins. Sometimes add-ins can interfere with the login process. Open Outlook in safe mode by holding the Control key while launching the application. If you can log in successfully, go to File, then Options, and disable any unnecessary add-ins. Step 5. Repair Outlook. If the problem persists, consider repairing your Outlook installation. Go to Control Panel, select Programs and Features, find Microsoft Office, and choose Change. Select Repair and follow the prompts to fix any issues with the application. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve login errors in Outlook 2026. If problems continue, consider reaching out to your email provider's support for further assistance.